Get ready, because this September is packed with powerful insights that could change your life forever. Hey there, beautiful souls. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the mystical realms of tarot and runes to explore what September 2024 has in store for you. These ancient tools, they can help us uncover our personal paths, guiding us through the twists and turns of life. So, let's get ready to gain some incredible insights that will empower you as we move into this new month. Alright, let's jump into the reading. Close your eyes, take a deep breath, and choose the rune that calls to you, the one that holds the guidance you seek. The first rune group tarot cards I drew for you is the Ingwas. The second group, it's the Fehu. And the third group, that's the Algies. Ingwas, Fehu, and Algies, these are powerful runes with distinct meanings that guide our spiritual journey. Ingwas symbolizes growth and new beginnings, encouraging you to harness stored energy for personal development. Fehu represents wealth and abundance, reminding you to manage your resources wisely to achieve success. And lastly, Algies is a protective rune, offering divine guidance and shielding you from negativity. Group 1 Ingwas. September 2024 is set to be a month of transformation for you. The tension from the square-semi-square quincunx highlights challenges around deep transformations, shared resources, and intimacy, particularly in the 8th house. With Cancer's nurturing energy, it's crucial to balance your emotional needs during these intense shifts. The North Node, it's calling you to face your fears and embrace change as part of your destiny. Pay close attention to squares or quincunxes in your natal chart, they might reveal areas of friction. The number 8, symbolizing power and transformation, will be significant this month. Keep a moonstone close to stay grounded and balanced through these changes. Affirm, I embrace the changes that lead me to my true path. Group 2 Fehu. September is all about renewal and relationship growth for you. You might feel weakened or low on energy, as indicated by the Depilate card, but Juno emphasizes the importance of commitment and partnership in overcoming these challenges. Your personal growth and how you present yourself to the world, they're in focus, thanks to the Ascendant and Progression cards. Expect shifts in your public image or development trajectory. Reflect on your rising sign and any ongoing progressions for deeper insights. The number 2 will guide you, symbolizing harmony and partnership. Rose Quartz. It will enhance love and healing in your relationships. Embrace this affirmation, I grow through my relationships and embrace my true self. Group 3 Algies. September 2024 brings a focus on discipline and higher learning. Saturn's influence highlights responsibility and structure, possibly introducing some delays or challenges. The 9th house encourages you to expand your horizons through travel, education, or spiritual pursuits. Conjunction suggests a powerful alliance or merging of energies, while Virgo's energy helps you approach your endeavors with practicality and attention to detail. Consider any Saturn transits and 9th house activities in your chart for guidance. The number 9, representing wisdom and higher learning, will be influential. Amethyst will be your ally, supporting your spiritual growth and wisdom. Affirm to yourself, I embrace discipline and seek higher wisdom for my spiritual journey. To wrap it up, September 2024 is overflowing with potential for change and growth. Remember, you hold the key to unlocking your destiny, and with the right mindset, you can turn challenges into opportunities. I'd love to hear your thoughts on this reading. What resonates with you? Share your insights in the comments below. And if you're interested in diving deeper into the mystical world of tarot and runes, check out my next video where we explore how to read tarot cards like a pro. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more spiritual guidance. Until next time, keep shining.